Jump Desktop versus RustDesk, which remote desktop app wins. Choosing the right remote desktop app can completely change how you access your devices securely and smoothly without lag or complex setup. Both offer remote access, but with different approaches. Jump Desktop and RustDesk are two popular remote desktop solutions. Jump Desktop is a polished commercial app with a focus on ease of use and performance, while RustDesk is an open-source alternative emphasizing privacy and self-hosting options. Jump Desktop is a commercial remote desktop app designed for seamless connection to Windows and Mac computers from any device. It works by leveraging proprietary protocols like Fluid Remote Desktop, which ensures low latency and high-quality streaming even over slower networks. The app supports multi-monitor setups, clipboard sharing, and secure end-to-end encryption. Its strengths include a user-friendly interface, reliable performance, and broad platform support including iOS, Android, Windows, and macOS. However, Jump Desktop requires a paid license, which may be a limitation for budget-conscious users. It also relies on Jump's own infrastructure for connections unless you configure advanced VPN or port forwarding. Ideal users are professionals and remote workers who prioritize speed and ease of setup with strong security but are comfortable paying for a premium experience. For those needing a straightforward, polished remote access tool, Jump Desktop delivers consistent results. RustDesk is an open-source remote desktop solution focused on privacy and flexibility. It works by allowing users to self-host their own relay and rendezvous servers or use RustDesk's public service for peer-to-peer connections. This design offers full control over data and minimizes reliance on third-party infrastructure. RustDesk app supports Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android, providing cross-platform remote access with end-to-end encryption. Its strengths lie in transparency, no licensing fees, and the ability to customize or extend functionality. Limitations include a steeper learning curve, occasional stability issues compared to commercial apps, and fewer polished features like multi-monitor support. RustDesk is ideal for tech-savvy users, privacy advocates, and organizations wanting full control over their remote desktop environment without monthly fees. It's a solid choice for those who prioritize security and customization over plug-and-play convenience. Jump Desktop and RustDesk serve different needs despite both enabling remote access. Jump Desktop excels in ease of use, performance, and polished features, making it perfect for professionals needing reliable connections with minimal setup. For example, a remote worker accessing office computers daily will benefit from its smooth experience and multi-monitor support. RustDesk shines in privacy and control, ideal for users or organizations wanting to self-host servers and avoid third-party dependencies. This suits IT teams managing sensitive data or hobbyists who prefer open-source tools. The trade-off is Jump Desktop's cost and reliance on proprietary infrastructure versus RustDesk's free, customizable but less refined experience. Choosing depends on whether you value convenience and performance or privacy and flexibility more. Jump Desktop is recommended for users seeking a polished, reliable remote desktop with excellent performance and ease of use, especially in professional environments. RustDesk is the best choice for those prioritizing privacy, open-source freedom, and self-hosting capabilities without recurring costs. Both apps have distinct strengths, so select based on your need for convenience or control to get the most out of your remote desktop.